What would happen if Earth suddenly stopped spinning? It'd be catastrophic. Right now, Earth rotates at about 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. If it stopped instantly, everything not nailed down, people, buildings, oceans, would keep moving at that speed, causing massive destruction. Days would last 6 months, one side would freeze while the other burns, and the magnetic field could vanish, exposing us to harmful solar radiation. Luckily, this won't happen anytime soon, but just imagine one spin keeps our entire planet balanced. For more mind-blowing space facts, follow Globedose.